Hello everybody and welcome to the Toronto Top Show. I'm here with my buddy Tony Minucci, the National Sales Director for DML. I love this guy, I love this line. They're innovative, they're cool, you're doing all kinds of things. And Tony, trade shows are coming back, man.
Big time. The trade shows have been out because of COVID over the last couple of years.
Yep.
But now they're coming out back big time and we're selling lanyards in
Look at this.
different types. These are breakaways.
Okay. Ooh.
Then we have these are all in printed
Wow, look
on
at that.
single-sided.
This is
And we also
unreal.
have in the full sublimation as well. So lanyards. We're doing tons of them at this time of the year. They're all made offshore. It's shipped directly to you.
Ooh.
Basically 30 to 40 days delivery.
That is fabulous. So with so many trade shows going on right now, are you finding that that's really picking up as the lanyard business?
Lanyard business is picking up.
Yep.
People are back in trade shows. We hadn't had trade shows in a long time. But also we sell lanyards for hospitals, banks. It's not just for trade shows.
Yeah.
You know,
Even my son, he puts his keys
Yeah.
on a lanyard, and he's got that lanyard hanging down his leg. You've seen that teenagers do that. They're
have it all
really
in their
cool.
back
They're really
pocket.
popular. You can use them for so many things. And what I'm seeing here is that you've got this option here to be able to one color decorate it if you want. You can go step and repeat around the entire lanyard, and then your sublimation allows you to go full color process, right?
Exactly. You can see there's other ones. Like this one
Oh,
here.
this is wild.
Yeah.
So full design, full color process, all the way around, all the different bells and whistles. You can put all kinds of attachments on there,
the
from
different attachments
bulldog
are
to
there.
alligator to you name it, right?
Exactly.
Oh,
100%.
this is fabulous. I love these, and it's so pertinent because trade show season is back.
Yes.
Now, when I think of DML, I've always thought about you guys for your exceptional caps. I mean, you guys do caps like nobody else. I love your caps. Have you got a favorite? Have you got something that people are loving these days?
Our go-to cap is these are brand new actually, but
Okay.
it's our Flex Fit 110.
Okay.
So they're adjustable. They fit 90% of the heads.
Yep.
It's got a snap back on the back.
Now, FlexFit, Tony, is something I've heard about. Like, this is something that's really popular right now.
Flex Fit is a global brand.
Yep.
It's a factory in Bangladesh that produces. It's called Yupong.
Yep.
And they produce the Flex Fit brand, and all those. Oops.
You like that, huh? A little scare there.
And the FlexFit brand is distributed by many suppliers.
Yep.
But we all have our own different designs, our own different caps. But it all comes from one factory in Bangladesh.
And that factory is producing impeccable quality, right?
Absolutely.
Like, it's just, your hats have always stood out as being exceptional in terms of your design. And you guys bring in your own designs, right? As you say, every supplier that's carrying FlexFit is doing it uniquely, right?
Exactly. We don't carry the same styles that other people do. We have our own unique styles. And then what sets us apart is our decoration as well.
Yep.
We can do this is a laser etch patch.
Yep.
We can do a 3D embroidery. This is all done
at
in-house, by
that.
the way. We
Wow.
have about 85 heads of Barudan
Look at that.
embroidery machines.
That is awesome.
This is a laser etch patch.
Yep. And Tony, what are lead times for something like this?
Embroidery is 3 to 5 days. A laser etch patch is probably 5 to 7 days maximum.
That is awesome. And you gotta remember that.
And this
3
is
to
all-
5 days on embroidery, because you do that in-house. You've got
In-house.
so many heads in-house. That is a competitive advantage. When you're looking for something in a hurry, DML's got you.
Absolutely. And this is all made in Montreal, so
Yep.
we can ship out within 48 hours on blanks, and like I said, 3 to 7 days on decorated orders.
I mean, that's unreal. Now, the other thing that you're known for is your ability to be able to do some pretty cool decoration in-house. And I want to take our crew over here and show you some of these unbelievable patches that you're making over here. So you guys make these patches here, right, Tony?
This is all done in-house.
Oh.
This is all made in Montreal, in Saint-Jérôme, Quebec, actually. So we have the different types, different colors. We can do it in different shapes and sizes.
Yep.
And basically, this is very simple. If you're buying a cap from us, we apply this for $6.25 net right onto our product.
Fabulous, fabulous. I love that. You make your own transfers. You guys do embroidery.
The transfers are also done in-house.
Yep.
These take a little bit longer. Again, 5 to 7 days max.
Yep.
But this is all done in St.
Look at the quality of those, though. It's impeccable. I mean, every single small word registers absolutely perfectly. The colors are vibrant. You make those in-house, and then you press those on the products. Boom, you've got delivery almost instantly.
Exactly.
Unreal. And then your knitwear. You guys do tons of beanies, tons of caps.
Yep. This is all this is all imports.
Yep.
But we carry everything in stock right now. Probably we're sitting with about over 500,000 units in knits and over 1.5 million caps in stock. So if you need any caps, we can deliver right away.
All right, let's just stop right now and acknowledge that. You're looking for inventory. Inventory is a challenge. It's always a challenge. DML has about 1.5 million units in stock, ready to go, and maybe 500,000 units of toques, or what you call in the States, beanies, right?
Exactly.
So think about that for a couple of seconds. Who are you going to use when you need that reliability in these product categories?
Yep, that's
You guys, DML. I'm so thrilled to be at this show. I'm so thrilled to be catching up and hearing what you guys do so well. Yep. This has been an honor, Tony, to talk to you. I've known you for a long time.
Yep.
You're really exceptional at what you do, and everywhere you've worked, you've raised the bar, man.
We try our best.
Well, thank you for your time. This is an exceptional company, DML. What's your website? Where can we get a hold of you?
www.dmlcreation.com or tony@dmlcreation.com.
Okay, you heard it here. That's how you get a hold of this dude, and you're going to check out this company because they're absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching, Promonoise audience. We appreciate you, and let's keep making beautiful noise.